Do you want to actually make money online for for free, like without paying anything? And yeah, some will actually I'm going to be showing you guys some platforms or some ways to actually make money online for free, which you're actually going to start up for free, and some of them which you are going to be actually you aren't going to be paying anything to actually sign up. Here guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make money online, at least 10,000 naira in every 2 days or in every day, literally. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, if you're actually new here, you're welcome. What I do on this channel is basically I go out there, search for what works, I analyze them, I use them, also I check them out if they're actually paying, and I come back to this channel, make a video about it and telling you guys about it, so you guys can actually do the same and make more money for yourself. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, if you are actually new here, you are welcome. To my 10 subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video on how to actually make money online. But first of all, please guys, note actually 3 things, please. First of all, I'm begging you for something: like this video, please and please. The second one is just for you to subscribe. It's actually free. Join the community, please. Join the family. We're actually loving people here. And the third, but not the last, the last but not the least, please follow me on all my social media handles. Links are going to be down in the description box below. Thank you very much. And also you can comment in the comment section what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about anything here. If I'm actually making any mistakes, my studio, my lightning, anything, just let me know, and I'll be literally down in my section chatting with you all. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, I'm actually waiting for your comments guys. Please and please comments guys. Yes guys, so with that being said guys, and without any further ado, let's get into the video on how to actually let's get into the short break. And with that being said, bye, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back from that short break, and dissecting into these platforms right now. We are going to be going straight into these platforms right now, right here. And the first one on my list is actually something which you actually know about. And right now I want to actually give a disclaimer or what you are, or how you can actually make money online using these platforms. Now first of all, you are going to be using these platforms to actually do Facebook likes, Instagram, YouTube subscribes, on likes, so on and so forth. And with that being said guys, first one on my list is actually Naira workers. Now you're going to be actually making money in Naira now, like right here in Nigeria. Right now, I know you all actually know most about Naira workers, but let me show you guys my dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard, a screenshot of my dashboard, and as you can see it here, I have been making money passively on this, even without doing any job. My referrals actually, the more money my referrals actually make, that is the people which I actually refer, that's my downlines, the more money I actually make. The link is still going to be in the description box below. Check the link out to actually sign up, and please use my link also, as I said. And with that being said guys, first of all, let me talk about it, how you can actually make money online on these Naira workers. Again, first of all, you sign up. You can see this sign up page, and when you sign up doesn't actually takes up to 5 minutes. You sign up, put your email, your name, your surname, everything, and then you sign up. After signing up, you verify your account. After verifying your account, then you actually start making money for yourself. And they actually give out 500 naira if you use anybody's referral. As if you use my referral link, you're going to be getting 500 naira as a welcome bonus, which you can actually withdraw when you get out to actually take 2,000 naira anytime. And you can actually withdraw on Fridays. Withdrawals actually take not that long, some hours, and you get your money into your local bank account on Fridays. I've been withdrawing from Naira workers a whole lot, and you are actually you can actually make money on Naira workers also. Please use my link in the description box below. And as I said earlier, you can actually use as you can see, these are taxes on the line. As you can see it on my screen here, these are screenshots of tax. There are a whole lot of tax. There are a whole lot of taxes for you to actually do on Naira workers to get paid, ranging from 10 naira, 15 naira, 20 naira. And one thing about Naira workers is that they don't pay low, guys. The pay are always higher than any other platform you can think of. Yes guys, so and one thing again you need to know that is you are still going to be getting paid in Naira directly into your local bank account. 2,000 naira is the minimum threshold, and you withdraw directly into your local bank account. Now with that being said guys, without any further ado, the next one on my list is actually Freebies. Yes guys, so Freebies is actually a platform which you can actually use to make money online or make more money for yourself online. using social media taxes. Yeah, you can see this is platform on my screen. As you can see it on your screen here. Yes, guys, so that's the platform Freebies, and that's FREEBYZ. Yes, guys, so that's Freebies for you. Now, Freebies is actually a platform where you can actually make money. As I said earlier, you can actually do it's actually something like Naira workers also, and you can actually make a whole lot of cash for yourself. But first of all, you need to actually verify your account. That's why I said earlier that if you can actually jump onto Naira workers, it's actually free. But if you have I think less than $1, which is 515 Naira, you can use it to register on Freebies. Registration is actually free, literally, but you need to actually verify your account. So verification of account on Freebies is actually 515 Naira. Yes, guys, so that's what it is on Freebies. Yes, guys. So, and I think you can actually make a whole lot of money if you actually go into Freebies. That's the truth. You can make nothing less than 10,000 Naira. Okay, let me not be, because I know most of us actually have a whole lot of things we're actually doing in our day-to-day activities. Yes, guys. So you can actually go into Freebies and make at least an extra 10,000 Naira every week for yourself on Freebies. Yes, guys. So you can actually do that and make more money for yourself. With that being said, guys, I think the next one on my list is actually live earners. Guys, live earners is actually a life changer, literally. Now, why I say live earners is actually a life changer, it's actually, first of all, it's an affiliate platform. It's an actually program which you can actually use. Now you're actually selling courses on live earners. That's one. What you need to know is that you can actually make money on live earners using recurring referrals, just getting referrals. And one thing you need to know that is that when you refer or when you register on live earners, the registration fee is actually 2,000 Naira only. When you register on live earners, you are going to be getting some free tips, automation, YouTube automation. Now let me talk about YouTube automation for a while now, for just some minutes. Now YouTube automation is actually using YouTube as a business. Now, not just one YouTube channel, but YouTube channels. Now let's say you have 3 YouTube channels. You created 3 YouTube channels without even putting your face. Yeah, you just outsource the jobs, outsource the video creations. Maybe you give someone to create the video, give someone also to do the voiceover, like voiceovers, which I'm actually doing to my bike right now. And you can actually give someone to actually edit it. Literally everything would actually take up to 10,000 Naira in every video. Or should I say, yeah, literally not up to 10,000 Naira in every video, and you are going to be making millions from your YouTube channels. Yes, guys, so you can actually do all of them in any niche which you want to actually go into. YouTube channels, let's say like football tips and tricks to actually make let's say for all football analysis, football betting, you can do that on yourself. That's just an idea on how to actually make videos or what to actually do on YouTube. Some people actually tell me they don't have anything to do on YouTube. It's actually because you don't know what to. Guys, watch my video, subscribe to my channel if you're actually getting any value from this video, guys. With that being said, let's get how to actually make more money from live earners, as I said earlier. So what they actually have is they literally have so many courses. They have YouTube automation courses. They have how to actually make, I think, 11 ways of how to actually make money. I've forgotten, but if I check it out, yeah, you can check it out, guys. There are a whole lot of courses, blogging courses, and most of them are actually free. So if you just get 2,000 Naira, if you just have 2,000 Naira, just join the platform. Yeah, it's not actually a paid promotional video, but guys, live earners is actually something very, very cool. There's actually I think a course on how to actually make thumbnails or make graphics on Canva. Yes, and I think there's actually one again for YouTube, how to actually make videos on YouTube. There's the one of actually how to edit your videos using your phone. There's master blogging using your phone. There are a whole lot of things, guys, to make money on live earners. Yes, guys, so I think that will be all for this video. If you love what I do here, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new man making videos we publish to the channel. With that being said, guys, comment down in the comment section what you need to tell me, or just tell me anything, or tell me thank you for this video. Anything, guys, please don't forget to comment. Your comments means a whole lot to me. Please and please and please. Now, the last but not the least is actually to follow me on all my social media. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on all my social handles. My links are still going to be down in the description box below. Instagram is actually Dominion underscore Audu1, and YouTube, as can if you're not watching this video on YouTube, just search for Dominion Audu on YouTube, and Twitter is actually Dominion underscore Audu1. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.